What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and I wanted to check out another case, and this one is from Speck. I hit them up. I said, what's up, Speck? They're like, what's going on? I'm like, listen, I need a case for the Tab S8 Ultra. Do you have any? They said, we sure do. We'll send you one out. So they sent this one. It's called the Balance Folio. Now, I've been using the keyboard case from Samsung on here, and it's nice, but I wanted to try something different. Now, obviously, this one from Speck does not have a keyboard on it, but I wanted to check it out because Speck does make some excellent cases for phones. So I wanted to check this out for the tablet. Now, this has that scratch and bump protection. It's compatible with the S Pen, as you can see there. Camera shield, viewing and typing angles, auto sleep wake. So you can open it and close it, and it'll wake the device. And then it's got some product protection there for your tablet. Now, this comes in this plastic here. We're gonna go ahead and open this up. This bad boy is brand new. And like I said, man, Speck, their cases, the Presidio grip cases are excellent. Now, I'll leave a link down in the description where you guys can pick this up. And as you can see here, it is about 40 bucks to grab this for yourself from Speck. And I'll leave a link down there so you guys can get involved like alcohol. All right, so now this, we're gonna go ahead and take this bad boy out. It shouldn't be too hard. Should come right out, yep, like that. And then it's got a little bit of a tag here that is trolling me hard. Give me 1 second, it's stuck. Yes, sir, see the tag? So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Now this has like some kind of, as you can see, it has some kind of like clips. That's interesting. Yeah, so it's got some clips here on one side, so you can close it. And then you take this out. And then we're gonna go ahead and cut off this tag. Shout out to the razor blade. We don't fake the funk. There we go. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this out of my Samsung keyboard case, which is like a magnetic joint. Keeps the S Pen in there and everything. We'll go ahead and take that off, put that to the side. And then we're gonna go ahead and put the tablet in here. Should go in this way. Not too hard. Snaps right in place. And then your S Pen, it goes right in the back here, which I believe would be like so. So you got your S Pen on deck there, which is kind of cool. And then these clips, they kind of snap on here like that. And then you're good to go. And you can, you know, executive style, take it wherever you need to go, do whatever you need to do. And this is nice though. If you're not going to use the keyboard, this is cool. You're probably going to miss, but you can hook up a Bluetooth keyboard or Bluetooth mouse, so that you can do. But this is kind of nice because it's a little bit less bulky as the keyboard case. And this just simply snaps up. It's not a big deal. Comes right off. So you got different angles here on the ridges here. So you just go to the part you want to be at. So if you want to go there, that's where you can be. If you want to go another level, then this one. And then if you slide all the way down, that should be the most comfortable. I think that's the last setting that you can do. Let's see. Looks like they fold it like this. Okay. So you can fold it like this. That's interesting. And then you could use it like this. So if you wanted to rock it like that, you could. You know what I mean? If you're on the Twitter and you wanna send a tweet, there's your keyboard. Boom, boom, boom. You could do your thing. Not very convenient, but I do like how you know, you don't have the keyboard with you the whole time, so you could do whichever you need to do. So. But yeah, man, that's the case basically. Sorry about that. This thing is huge. It's hard to get on camera. Ha! That's what she said. But that's gonna do it, man. Leave a comment down below. You got your S pins exposed. Don't know if I like that. I think I kind of like this a little better, but I do like how you can kind of just take this with you and be walking. Anyway, man, you know what to do. Subscribe, notification, thumbs up. Peace. I'm out.